the last couple of months, the Seiko has graced us with quite a few Presage releases. The Presage line is known for its incredible craftsmanship when it comes to the dial of the watches. Recent releases feature beautiful enamel and porcelain dials created by Japan's extraordinary craftsmen. Generally, this type of craftsmanship comes at a price, so if you're not willing to spend $1,000 or more, the Seiko SSA1 the SSA411 might be the watch for you. This is why I bought it. This is now going to join my uh, everyday wear of watches. I love the looks of it. I love the bracelet. I love the double clasp. um, it looks so good. The bracelet is just out of its world. The case size is just over 38 mm, and these three handers might be a tempting offer to people looking for a dressier watch that is little less extravagant than the cocktail time watches, which is also offered by Seiko. The one which was recently bought by me, this is characterized by its dark blue open heart dial. It comes with a different box as well. It is different from the one which comes with the Seiko 5 series lineup, as well as the Seiko Solar. It has 4R38 mechanical movement, which offers around 41 hours of power reserve. Is mechanical movement. The box is made of leather, or at least fox leather. Certainly gives it a very premium feel, which is a welcoming thought by Seiko. My first reaction to this open heart dial was, is this really necessary? It's not exactly a new design detail. Don't get me wrong, it looks good, but I am conflicted about the impact of it on the watch overall looks. In all fairness, I have to say the pictures obviously make it look quite static, and there's definitely a certain charm to seeing the movement in action when you have the watches on your wrist. But then again, the watch also features a hardlex display case back, so you can actually see the movement in action by turning the watch around. It looks really good. It has a see-through case back, just like the Seiko 5 series. Looks really nice in person. The watch features around 38.3 mm stainless steel case that makes it suitable for quite a few wrist sizes. At just 11.2 mm thick, it makes the Presage a very comfortable watch to wear. The blue dial is contrasted by silver Roman numerals and applied R indexes. The deep blue and silver colors contrast well, guaranteeing good readability of the classical looking dial. The 5-link design stainless steel bracelet immediately stands out. Admittedly, it has to fit your style, but I like it a lot. I was impressed by both the style and the quality of this bracelet, especially considering the $600 price tag. It's a bit smaller. I mean, this is my Omega Seamaster 300M, and it definitely has a smaller dial. So even the woman can wear it with ease. With a mix of polish and brush links, it is as much an eye catcher as a dial. This Murata Diastar original. This wears very similar to this watch, the Presage. There's also automatic, but it's not. You can't wind it using the crown. On the Presage, you can wind the watch with a crown, and you can wind it without taking the crown out, just like the Omega Speedmaster, which is a cool thing. The bracelet features a butterfly clasp with a push button release that was easy to operate, and it's also a step up from some of the previous less qualitative glass that were found in the several Seiko releases of the past. Now let's talk about the movement, which is a Seiko caliber 4R38. This movement has 21,600 grain count. It features 24 jewels and comes with a power reserve of approximately 41 hours, which is less intuitive. This is one of the things which I do not like about it. The movement main feature is the previously mentioned open heart balance at 9 o'clock, and it also features a hacking seconds, which allows for manual winding. Seiko says that it is accurate to around plus minus 35-45 seconds per day. The finishing of the movement is basic, but it's not about that when it comes to watches in this price bracket. The purpose of the display case in this price range is a lot more focused on the magic of the mechanical movement, and that's what these watches display perfectly. So if you're looking for a fancy watch with mechanical movement with a see-through case back, this Seiko Presage SSA411 is a great looking watch. It is something that I will definitely shortlist if I want to buy a watch under $600-700. Honestly, I'm not quite sure what to make of this open heart concept. I understand it adds the attraction of being able to see the balance of the movement in action, and I'm sure there are plenty of watch enthusiasts who would like to see the heart of the watch, as it is the magic of the mechanical timepiece, and that is who Seiko makes these watches for. In the end, I think this watch represents what the Presage collection stands for perfectly, a display of Seiko craftsmanship in both the movement and dials. And at this price point, I'm sure this watch will find its way to the enthusiasts who are looking for a watch that offers great value for money and looks a bit different from its rivals. I do wish it came with a higher power reserve, because let's say you stop wearing the watch at Friday, and your watch will practically dead by Monday, so you'll have to wind it up again. So that's all about it. Hope you like this review. Stay subscribed for more technology and watch reviews like these. Bye bye.